This one, Ingrid. Do it together.
Mommy.
Okay, pat it down.
How come you want to put glue on the top of the leaf?
Glue on the top of the leaf.
This one's already on. Choose another
Can
leaf.
you choose one that matches this one?
Yes.
What kind of leaf is this? Good job.
Do you know what that's called?
It's a maple leaf. Yep, matches. Okay, put it on the paper.
Remember, you got to put glue on the leaf and then put it on the tree. I don't know a kid that does not like glue.
I like eating glue.
Daddy, glue's not for eating.
Okay,
Silly
get down the
Daddy.
leaf, Ingrid. Hey, whatever.
Good job.
She only got half that leaf, but that's alright.
Oh, she did a good job, huh?
Now you choose a leaf and color. Choose a colored leaf. Okay.
What color is it? Green.
It's green, and yes, it matches. Which one's a match? Good job.
You're gluing? Yes, you are.
Okay, choose one.
Mommy judges.
Are you done?
No.
She's gotta shut her glue thing.